Okay, very good. To build the reusable applications, across the classes. See, people will ask a question. Reusability will be there with the function, same program. Procedural programming, that is functional programming, that is modular programming with the functions. That is also functional programming across the programs. But it is across the classes. That is inheritance. Keep in mind. This is very, very important for you. Okay. What is the definition of inheritance, ma? Inheritance definition: the process of obtaining the data members and methods from one class into another class is called what? Inheritance. Okay, fine. Is called inheritance. Perfect. Good. Inheritance follows which memory management, ma? Inheritance follows which memory management? Logical memory management. Logical memory management. Logical memory management it follows. Perfect. Nice. Next, one more question I'm asking. You tell me, in that logical memory management, are you writing physical source code? Are you writing physical source code, ma? No. But the code is available with you? Is the code is available with you? Yes, sir. Good. Is it taking physical memory space? Is it taking physical memory space? Is it taking physical memory space? No, sir. No, sir. Then how it is available? They are available without taking any memory space. They are available without taking any memory space. They are available without taking any memory space. Very nice. That is called logical memory management. Very good. How many types of inheritances are there, ma? How many types of inheritances are there? Perfect. 5. Which type of inheritance is called a diamond problem? Which type of inheritance is called a diamond problem? Hybrid inheritance. What is that now? Diamond problem is called hybrid inheritance, which is a combination of what, ma? Diamond problem. Just imagine diamond problem. Diagram 2, no, ma. Satyam Sharma. Suppose if interviewer is asking, what is diamond problem? Don't tell diagram 2. So you will wonder, what is the diagram 2? That time you have to show KVRs or nodes. So don't tell, ma. It is a combination of hierarchical plus what? Multiple inheritance. You have to tell like that. Okay? Very good. Yes, you know that. I'm just saying to you. Fine. So please, ma, switch off your videos. It is disturbing me. Please switch off. Some of the students' videos are there with me. It's disturbing my class, ma. Please switch off. Okay? Right. Sri Shaili. So please switch off your mobile. Very good. Now, dear students, last and final. What is intermediate base class? What is intermediate base class? What is intermediate base class? In intermediate base class, one class is acting as what happens? In intermediate base classes, one class is acting as 1 minute. In intermediate base classes, one class is acting as base class as well as derived class. One class is acting as base class as well as what? Derived class. That is known as what? Intermediate base class we can call. So last time I gave you types of inheritances as well as what? Importance of inheritance I explained to you. So finally we had a conclusion. In the class. Types of inheritances we done. Fine. So coming to the point back, now I am going to get it into the picture. So please, all of you, come to the point of it. All of you should understand me, ma. So now we are entering into today syntax for inheriting the features of inheritance. Shall we go for that? All of you, please confirm. So we will go for types of inheritances. Fine. So let us enter into the types of inheritances in the class. Fine. So let us go to the types of inheritances. Nice, ma. So is the yesterday's class is clear or not clear? Is yesterday's class is clear or not clear? It's clear. Very nice. So today we are entering into syntax for inheriting the features of one class into another class. Syntax for inheriting the features of one class into another class. Very nice. So let me go for that syntax. Now I am going for syntax. Please listen carefully. Now the heading starts with syntax for inheriting. Look at all of you. Syntax for inheriting the features of syntax for, or I will write inheriting the features of base class, features of what? Base class into derived class. Syntax for inheriting the features of base class into derived class. I'm just entering into the discussion. Very, very simple, ma. Very, very simple in the class. We are going to talk about it. So let us start. See, carefully try to watch it. Right. Very, very easy. So the features of class. Now tell me, last class we already discussed it. What will be the features, ma? What will be the features, please? All of you. Features are nothing but what? Features are nothing but what? Data members, and then methods, and then what? And next we can also say constructors. Constructors also will be there. Constructor is also part of the class or not? Come on, ma. Constructor is also part of the class or not? Yes. Constructor is also part of the class. Fine. So let me go for what exactly inheriting the features. Very, very simple. Let us clearly try to understand. Features of a class are nothing but data members. Carefully understand, Mark, because today we need to write a beautiful programming in inheritance. Because I will put you onto the perfect control. Mark. So that time you will become a perfect student in the class. So let us carefully try to understand. Features of a class are nothing but data members. Next is called what? Methods and constructors. In Java programming, constructors will not be inherited. Listen very, very carefully. In Java programming, constructors will not be inheriting. But in Python, what is done, In Python, constructors also will be inherited. Constructors also will be inherited. In Java, constructors will not be inherited. Python programming, constructors can be inherited, guys. So I will show you that one by one we will talk about it. There is no hurry at all because everything I will teach perfectly. Okay, right. Now I'm going to talk about constructors, data members, and you already aware of it. For my satisfaction, last one question I will ask you. Why do you use constructors, ma? Why do you use constructors, please? Why do you use constructors? I just want to know. Why do you use constructors? I just want to know. Yes, please. Constructors are very good. Nice. Very, very remembering. It is used to initialize the object. Excellent, Avanti. Excellent. Initializing the object without empty. Really, I very much happy for the definition. Perfect. Tell me, constructors are calling during what creation? Constructors are calling during which creation? Yes, please. Constructors are calling during which creation? During what creation? Object creation. Nice of it. Nice of it. And why we use methods, ma? Why we use methods? Why we use methods? To perform the operations. To perform the operations. For that purpose, we use the methods. Excellent. Now coming to the point of it. Features of a class are nothing but data members, methods, and constructors. Nice. Now I'm going to say, to inherit the features of base class into derived class, we use the following syntax. To inherit the features of base class, to inherit the features of base class into derived class, to inherit the features of base class into where derived class, we go for what? We use the certain syntax in the class. What is that syntax? We are going to see. We are going to see the syntax. What is the syntax? You try to see. Now, Raj Singh, object empty means I already told you now. SO is equal to like this. So you have to practice the programming. So I told you already SO dot underscore dict underscore dict, which I already explained, right? So actually I don't want to go for this doubt, but I'm just asking, just I'm showing to you. It is like that, it is printed. This I already explained so many times in the class, right? To inherit the features of, to inherit the features of, what is that? To inherit the features of base class into derived class. Base class into derived class, we use the following syntax. We use the following syntax. Sir, what is that syntax? I just want to go for it. What is that syntax? I just want to go for it. So I'm just going for that syntax. So let us look at the syntax now. Let us look at the syntax I'm writing. Something like this. Okay. Class. There is no hurry at all. I'm writing base class 1. Base class 1. So coming to the point back. Now I'm going to say base class name, or I will write class name 1. Class name 1. Written. Please switch off your videos, it is giving disturbance. RAM creation. Please switch off your video. So, right, done. Next is called what? Another type of class I will take it. Another type of class. This is called one class. One more type of class I will take it. One more type of class I will write. Class name 2. This is called class name 2. Next, like that, I will write one more thing. Class name n. Class name n. I am taking. So on class name n. I have a class name n. N I have. N number of classes I have. Now I am writing last. Now class CLS name n plus 1. N plus 1 I am writing off. You have to write off. If it is a Java, we will write what? One keyword called extends. We are writing here off. Like a function brace. There we are writing class name 1. Class name 1, comma, class name 2. Or CLS, whatever you have written. CLS name 1. CLS name 2. So on. Class name, CLS name n. If you carefully understand, your class name n plus 1 can inherit from only one class called CLS name 1, can inherit from class name CLS name 2, or you can inherit class name 1 and class name 2 and class name n. You can inherit from any of the classes. And we will write here some set of statements. We will write it. This is called a syntax actually. Dear students, try to understand me carefully. Once we are going to inherit from one class to another class, this is the last one you see. Class name of n plus 1, class name 1, class name 2, so on class name n. And then I am writing block of statements here. Now I want to give the explanation here. I just want to give it. See the explanation once. I'm giving an explanation. Okay. So look at explanation here. What is an explanation? Easy to get it, easy to understand also, and very easy. Let us follow. In this case, class name 1, here I am writing, what is that? Here, first point I am writing. What is the first point? Or here I will write it, coming to the next part. Here, class name 1, CLS name 1, comma, CLS name 2, so on. CLS name n represents name of base class, name of base class in the bracket. Yes, maybe one class or maybe many number of classes. Maybe one class or maybe many number of classes. Maybe one class or maybe many number of classes. In our Java, our derived class can extend only one base class, but in Python, one class can take the features from any number of classes. Dear students, it's most important. One derived class can inherit the things from any number of classes. We are going to show you that. Even some of the people are misguiding the students like Java. They are saying even in Python also. That's a blender. Next, I am writing here CLS name 1. Here I am writing CLS name 1 represents name of the derived class. Name of the derived class. Dear student, be careful. Represents name of the derived class. Perfect. Derived class. Only derived class. Good. Now, next I am going to talk about class name 1, class name 2, so on, class name n represents spelling mistake, represents name of the base class, name of the derived class. Good. In Python, one derived class can take the features from one class, or it can take the features from one or more number of base classes also. So I am writing the derived class in Python. I am writing in Python programming. One derived class can inherit the features from one base class. Inherit the features either from I can write either from one base class, or more number of base classes. Either from one base class or from more number of base classes. Good. Next, I'm going to talk about, yes, finished. So we understand the terminology. Dear students, you just take one small diagrammatic representation and you need to prepare one point from that. Tell me, this is my inheritance diagram, Mama. This is my inheritance diagram. Even it is applicable for all inheritance languages. Whichever languages are supporting, it is common for all the languages. Now this is another kind of class. This is another kind of class. Please try to conclude it. This is a C1 class. This is a C1 class. This is a C2 class. This is a C2 class. And this is a C3 class. And this is a C4 class. In that there is a data member A. In that there is a data member B. In that there is a data member C. In that data member called C. In that there is a data member called what? Data member called C. In that there is a data member called D. Now tell me, I wrote the code here. How I wrote the code, ma? Please look at. I'll write the code also. Sample code also you will write, so that you can understand. This is called C1. Okay. Inside of it, there is a class A, data member A. Okay. Assume that. Here I will write the class C2 of what I am writing C1. Of course, whatever the small letter or capital letter, don't worry. This is C2 of C1. Okay. Next I am writing class C3. I am writing C3 of C2 Next I am writing here class C4 of C3. Tell me, this is called which type of inheritance, ma? Which type of inheritance? I'm not seeing your chart window, ma. Something is setting changed or what? I don't know. Okay, 1 minute I will do. Okay. Come on. Which type of inheritance it is? Which type of inheritance it is? Ashish Kumar. Is it a single amma? Ashish Kumar, what can I say for you, ma? Ashish Kumar, is it a single? Huh? Are you reading the notes or not? Malla. MUL means what? What is that MUL? What is MUL? The moment when you are saying the answer is a completely wrong. Multi means what? I don't know what you will do. It's up to you. So multi-level inheritance it is. Multi-level inheritance it is. Actually, I don't want to comment on it, but my dedication and my sincerity will not allow me to not to comment on your wrong things. I want to comment on the wrong things, compulsory. Multi-level inheritance. So I wrote multi-level inheritance coding is like this. So I will create an object of it. I will create an object of it. Please let us go for it. O1 is equal to C1. O1 is equal to C1. Now here I will write O2 is equal to C2. Quickly tell me O2 is equal to C2. Next I am writing O3 is equal to C3. Next I am writing O4 is equal to C4. Now tell me, start. Tell me, with these things, what is valid, what is invalid, I want to see. O1 dot A. Just listen. Later I will ask you. O1 dot B and next O1 dot C and then O1 dot C and O1 dot D. In these lines, I am asking a question, what is valid and what is invalid? What is valid and what is invalid, you tell me. Come on. What is valid and what is invalid? You tell me, that is enough. O1 dot A is valid. O1 dot B, O1 dot C, O1 dot D is invalid. O1 dot B, O1 dot C, O1 dot D is invalid. Why? Because C1 is a class whose object don't know about the B, C, D. Don't know. The base class know about its information only. It don't know the information of what? It don't know the information of what? It don't know the information of its subclasses. It don't know the information of its subclasses. Tell me, this is called invalid. So I am writing cross mark. This is called valid. I will write valid. Next, I am asking the question here. One more question I am asking. O2 dot A and O2 dot B. Another line I will write it. O2 dot C, O2 dot D. In that you tell me what is valid and what is invalid. O2 dot A and O2 dot B is valid. O2 dot C and O2 dot D is invalid, because in the written test point of view, they will give like this and they will ask many questions in that. Okay, so please be careful in such a way that what is valid and what is invalid you are understanding. Very nice. So we understand the concept of this thing. Nice. So this is called valid. This is called valid. So I will write valid here. Yeah, nice. This is called invalid. It is called invalid. This is called invalid. Tell me, here I will write O3 dot A, O3 dot B, O3 dot C, O3 dot C, and then O3 dot D. What is valid? What is valid? Please confirm. What is valid and what is invalid? You just confirm. Yeah, come on. So O3 dot D is invalid. Rest of them are called valid only. O3 dot D is invalid. Rest of them are called valid. So here I am trying to say O3 dot A, O3 dot B, O3 dot C is valid, because all A, B, C are inherited into this place, and the last one is called valid. This is called valid. This is called valid, and this one is called invalid. This one is called invalid. This is called invalid. Last you tell me. Last what is valid? Last what is valid? Come on, quickly. All are valid. All are valid. So I can access here. O4 dot A, O4 dot B, O4 dot B, O4 dot C, O4 dot C, and O4 dot what? D. All are valid. This is called valid. Dear student, I am saying that all are valid. All are valid. So, done. Now you tell me, whenever you develop any, why I said this entire thing, you will understand. Whenever you develop any inheritance application, which class object you will create? Which class object you will create? This is my question to you. Whenever you develop any inheritance application, which type of object you will create? Yeah, I am waiting for your answer. C4 class object I will create. What is the C4? It's the bottommost derived class. It's the bottommost derived class. I cannot create C1. I cannot create C2. I cannot create C3. I will create C4 only. Why? Because it is the richest in functionality. It is the richest in functionality. It is having highest functionality because it inherits the features of what? It inherits the features of what classes? Intermediate base classes are inheriting. C1 features are inheriting. C2 features are inheriting. C1 features are also inheriting. Who is richest in functionality? Bottommost derived class. That's why whenever we develop any inheritance based application, it is always recommended to create an object of bottommost derived class. Is this point is clear or not clear? Is this point is clear or not clear? Yes, sir, clear. Yes, sir. Yeah, Pakka clear is saying. Durga Prasad saying Pakka clear. Okay, very thing. Pakka. Right. Very nice word. So you have to say perfect. Good. Now let us move to the point back. This is what point I want to write it. When we develop, see ma, when we develop any inheritance application, it is highly recommended. SEMA, highly recommended to create an object of, which class? Bottommost derived class. It is highly recommended to create an object of bottommost derived class. Because, why? Because it inherits the features of what? Base class. It inherits the features of base class, comma, intermediate base classes into okay, already written, because it inherits the features of base class and intermediate base classes Perfect. Already done intermediate base classes. That's why we want to create the bottommost derived class. Perfect. Now in Python programming, one small point I want to say, one nice point I am going to say. What that point is? Here, who is the superclass for C4? Quickly. What point is missing, Amma? Point number 3. In Python programming, one derived class can inherit the features either from one base class or from more number of base classes. Okay, now? Yes. So either from inheriting from one base class. Tell me, in our case of this discussion, tell me, I'm going to say here, see here, who is the base class for C1? Okay, or like this. Who is the base class for C4, please? C4 base class, C3. C3 base class, please. C2. C3 base class, please. Today, this chart window is not visible properly. I don't know why. What some setting may be changed. Okay, C3 base class is what? C2. C2 base class is what? C1. Is C1 is having any base class here? Come on. Everybody will feel that no, but it is yes. Yes. Stop. Now I am telling to you. Actually, for C1, explicitly you don't have any base class. See, for example, C4, you have explicitly a base class. C3, explicitly there is a base class. C2 explicitly there is a base class, but C1 explicitly does not contain any base class. Something like what? Something like what? If anybody did not understand, see, a small awareness I want to give, small awareness. Suppose you are there. Suppose you are there. For example, you are there. You are there. You are a parent. You are a parent. You are a parent, grandparent, 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 grandparent. You are a parent, grandparent also will have a parent. That parent will have a parent, right? Will you remember all of them? Maximum you will remember this only. Maximum you will remember this only. Will you remember this person name? Please. Will you remember this person name? No, sir. Will you? Okay, some people may be remembering, but who are interested. But this person name will you remember? No, sir. This person name will you remember? No, sir. No, sir. We can't remember. But now I am going to ask you one question. Definitely there is a parent. So, so last person, one person is there who is a super person of all managing these human beings. Who is that in general life? There is one topmost person is there who is monitoring, who is reading Python notes, who is not reading Python notes. Excellent. Everybody is spiritually also very good. Ram Creation, Stavanti, Spurti, Jyotirmayi, all of them very good, ma. Very good. So somebody already seeing, observing who is reading Python notes, who is not reading Python notes, who is sleeping, and who is watching YouTube videos. Everybody is watching by one person who is hidden. Every person is having one base class. Who is that? Okay, Sharma. Okay. Okay, I am not saying that you are reading. You are reading. Somebody is monitoring who is called God. Generally I am talking. That means in our Python programming, what I am trying to say is, I am not saying that particular student is. For every class in Python, there may be class, superclass, etc. For one class, for the topmost class, there is one base class is existing implicitly. That base class is called what? Object. Like a object. I will write object is the base class. Even in Java also, for every class in Java, there exists a topmost implicit superclass. This object you did not write actually. This is actually written by the Python environment only. Sir, why this is only superclass, sir? There are a lot of classes are there now, sir. Why this is only the superclass, sir? Why not other things as superclass, sir? Please, can you tell me, sir? Excellent, Amma. This is the class where it provides a garbage collection facility. Where it provides garbage collection facility to all its subclasses to collect the unused memory space. The garbage collection facility, the garbage kind of implementation started from which class? Object class. Are you getting my point, Amma? The garbage collection functionality started from which class? Topmost class. What is the topmost class? Object class. Now, tell me, who is supplying the garbage collector facility? Please, object class. So tomorrow this is a gunshot question. What is an object class in Python? So they will ask you one question. What is an object in Java? What is an object in Python? You have to reverse a question. Sir, are you asking object of class or are you asking implicit class object? So you are making him to ask two questions on it. So interviewer is there now. You have to take that interviewer full under your control. He will come to your control, provided if you have more subject. Without knowing more subject, you cannot take him forcibly that person under your control. If you are dominating that person with your subject, suppose he is asking what is an object. So you have to ask a question. Sir, are you asking object or are you asking implicit class object? So you are giving indirectly ask two questions. That is the facing interview is also called what? One art. So this art will come when you have more subject. Right or not? Yes. So we are going to enter into that. Farin Ansari. Yes, ma. I'm going to tell you that. Don't worry about that. I'm talking about that. So coming to the point of it, now I'm going to have the conclusion. What is the conclusion? What is the conclusion? Why this object is a superclass for all the classes? Because it provides what? Garbage collection facility. Is it a good facility or not? Is it a good facility or not? Yes, ma. So who will provide garbage collection facility? Who is providing garbage collection facility to my program? Who is providing garbage collection facility to my classes? Implicit superclass. Who is an implicit superclass? Who is an implicit superclass? Object class. Who is an implicit superclass? Object class. That I am writing. That point I am writing. See, for in Python, for every class in Python, I am writing. For every class in Python, for every class in Python, for every class in Python, there exists. Now I am writing. There exists an implicit. There exists an implicit. There exists an implicit. Please look at ma. There exists an implicit predefined superclass. There exists an implicit predefined superclass called object. Superclass called object. Because I'm writing the reason. Because it provides what? It provides what? Garbage collection facility. And you are excellent in the garbage collection facility. So garbage collection facility, and it collects what memory space? Unused memory space. And unused memory space. 1 minute, ma. Unused memory space, and improves the performance of what? Python based applications. This is the point of it. So I hope that everybody got my point, what I asked it. So is the syntax is clear? Shall we go for the programming now? Shall we enter into the programming, ma? Yes, please, all of you. Now, I'm going to make you to understand the subject of come on. So I will go for what? Programming part. Is the syntax is clear? Is the syntax is clear or not? Yes, clear. So I'm going to give you the conclusion. Syntax is clear. Now it is the time to see to go for the syntaxes. Syntax is over. Now I'll go for the program. So first program I am going to start. So last question. Who is the superclass for all the classes in Python mode? Where ma? Unused. Spelling mistake, huh? Okay, 1 minute. Unused. Okay. Unused memory space. Okay. Fine. Thank you, ma. Let us go to the unused memory space. Okay, nice. So tell me, who is the superclass for all the classes in Python? Object. So what it provides for you? Garbage collection facility. That means you need not to write a special code for getting garbage collection facility. Even garbage collection also explained perfectly in the class with the GC module. Right. Now I am going for example in the class. Try to understand, Amma. I am going for the program. So let us go for save this code under our note spot. You save this code. Now I am entering into the programming part. Look at that. Very, very easy for us to understand. Now I am going to introduce the program. So file new, I will say others and then Python here. Very, very easy. Look at. Now I am writing. So company and employee I am taking. I am taking the relations between company and employee. Understand the problem statement, ma. Understand the problem statement. There you tell me. There you tell me. What I'm asking is, what I'm asking the question is, what I'm asking the question is, fine. Company is called company and employee ante. Company is called what? According to your discussion, according to your discussion, company is called what? Excellent, Master Avanti. Very good. It is called base class. It is called base class. Employee is called what? Employee is called what? Derived class it is called. Okay. Now I'm writing certain code here. Now I'm writing certain code here. Let us see the certain code of what I'm writing it. So easy. Class, class, employee, class, employee, class, employee, class, employee. Right. I will write the code after 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I'll write the code. What I'm writing, pass. I will write one more kind of class. Class company, class company, class company. You need not write object like this. You need not write. By default, that object will be coming. Even if you write also, there is no issue at all. There is no issue at all. Now, as an employee, if you look at that carefully, whatever is there in company class that are as it is coming to the class called employee. Whatever is there in the company class that are as it is coming into the employee. So how to write it? Now I am writing the code. Company details I will take it. How I will take the company details? Already classes and objects finished. Now I am writing the code here. See that what I am writing the code? Very, very simple. I am writing def get company details. Get company details. Get company details. Self. Get company details. Self. I am getting this. So there I am asking self dot cname is equal to Wipro. Cname is equal to Wipro. And I'm writing self dot location is equal to location. Location is equal to HYD. 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 Fine. This is my company details. Now, when I'm going to take employee is working in which company? You need to get this company name and then location you need to get it. There I will write it def get employee get employee details. Get the employee details. Now I want to get the employee details. How do you get it? Self dot eno is equal to 100. Self dot what is that? E name is equal to Rosam and next I'm writing self dot shall is equal to something like a 23.45. Now I am writing self dot DSG is equal to author. He is an author. Okay, right. These details are there. Dear students, I want to get it. I want to in the employee class. I want to get company details also. In the employee class, company details also I want to get it. How do you get it, ma? How do you get it? Can you write a code and show me? In employee class, I want to get company details also. How do you get it? That means I want to get this data members. How do you get it, please? How do you get it, please? Yes. Not writing the code. Right? At least a small code you write and show me. Yes. King, very good, ma. Very good. Keep it up. Karthik, see the syntax, ma. See your chart box. You have written, but it is not following the syntax. King, very good. Karthik, check it out. Shravanti, check it, ma. Check it out, ma. Bhagyasruti, excellent, ma. Bhagyasruti. Shiva, K, good. Very good. Now, see all of you. Why I taught the syntax for you? Is for playing purpose. Huh? Why I said derived class name. See the syntax. I explained for 1 hour. Class name 1, class name 2, class name n. Today, your class employee is taking the code which is already there in the company. I will write here employee of company. I am writing like this. Company. There. All the data members and methods of company are coming to where? Employee class. coming to employee class. And then I want to print them. I want to print the details of this company. I want to print the details of this company. How to print it? How to print it? I just want to take this. How do you take it? How do you take it, ma? I want to take it. How do you do that? I will go for def sir display display employee details. Employee details. Okay, details of self. Already you know self. Now I'm printing. Now I'm printing. Please follow me. Print off. Print off. Now I'm writing employee details. I'm saying employee details. Employee details. Carefully observe it. Carefully observe it. Print off employee details. Employee details. Very easy. Now I'm writing now. Print of employee number. Employee number. So I'm writing there. Format of. Please respond. Inside the bracket, what to write? Inside the bracket, what to write? Inside the bracket, what to write? Excellent. Self.envo. Yeah, majority of them are not responding. I don't know whether you are sleeping or not. Today is a very, very slowly, like a passenger train, it is running. The course is increasing. You are the more asset person. Once more asset is coming, proud should not come. You have to bend our head and we have to undergo our process. So you have to go for many important things. So please respond it perfectly. So I'm going to say, here I will write self. Yeah, yes, ma, I will write self here. I forget. Self I used to write. And here I will write self dot. What I'm writing? Self dot. Writing here. NO. Self dot I will write ENO. ENO written. Self dot ENO written. Similarly, I will write like this. Employee name. I will write employee name. Self dot e name. Next I'm writing self dot. What is this now? Salary. Self dot salary. Right. Self dot sal. I'm writing sal. Next I will write employee. What is this? Designation. Yes. Self dot DSG. Next I am writing employee company name also I am writing. Actually, company name. Company name is inherited or not? We got these things because we written what? Company of. So I need to write self dot what? C name. Next I will write company location also I will write. Company location also I will get it. Company location also I will get it. Yes, finished. Now which class object you will create? Ma? Yes, I forget. Which class object I will create? Yes, please. Okay, ma. Self.loc. Nice. I forget. LOC. Which class object you will forget? Which class object you will create? Okay. Concept I said. You tell me. Your company object of it is ma. Prozal, whose name is. Which class object I will create? Employee class object. So I will create EO is equal to employee. See, I got it. Employee. Okay. Now you see, sir. Once you say print off, what is happening? See, EO dot underscore dict. You just check it out. Raj Singh. You just understand ma. So I am giving INHPROG 1.py. INHPROG 1.py. Simple things. Go to the first program. This is because first program itself is a little bigger one. I took it, but not a problem. You can understand. Not an issue. So we called it. Save this code. Now I am saving this. INHPROG 1.py. Saved it. Coming to the command prompt. G colon. Now I am saying KVR. Now saying that Python 4 p.m. 4 p.m. Then say, whoops, whoops, CD inheritance here. Yeah. Now you say execute. Fine. Say this part. See what I got it? Empty. Empty, I got it. Empty, I got it. Now I want to put the data. Now I want to put the data. How do you put the data? Call, call this function. Call this function. Okay. We will call it. We will call it. Okay. Called with respect to what? EO dot. After that, you see the information what is available. You see the information what is available. Whenever you call, object is created and then this value will be placed. This value will be placed. Inside that values will be placed. Still that values are not coming. Still these values are not coming. When that values will be coming, I will show you that. Now, you just see what is coming. Employee number, employee name, etc. Designation is coming. Why those values are not coming? Because these are the instance data member. When these will be coming? When you are going to call this function. Where is this function is available? In the company. Actually, we are not creating a company object. We are creating only what? Employee. But you are written inheriting. Which function you are inheriting? This function you are inheriting. You call it. Are you getting, ma? Are you getting, ma, dear students? Right, ma. Very good. Very good. Now you got it. Now you need to call. You need to call. See, EO dot get company details. Then you call later. Last you call it. Last, finally. First I called empty. Next I initialized the employee. Next I initialized the company. Now you see. Now you see. First you execute now. You will come to now. See, execute now. You see. First empty. Next only employee details are there. After that, what is there? Employee details are there. Along with that, C name is equal to Wipro, location is equal to HYD. We got the details. We got the details. Suppose you did not write this. Suppose you did not write company. Just don't write it. Cut it. Now, which line you will get error? Please come to confirm. Which line you will get error? I want to know. Which line you will get error? Line number? Arindam, be careful, ma. Line number, ayyo. Which line you will get error? Line number 30. Line number 30. See, 21 you will not get any answer error because you are inside the function. Function will be executed when you call it. Arindam, okay. Prabhat, okay. Confirm by yourself. So function, when you call it, then only error will coming. But I am calling the function line number 30. But that function is not at all inherited, na? Not at all inherited. See that? See, I will go for that. So I am getting, see, I get an error. Employee object does not have the attribute called get company details, line number 30. Line number 30. See that discussion, how beautiful it is. That's why company things I need to write it. Company. Are you understanding it is inherited or not? Are you understanding it is inherited or not? Yes. So it's very easiest topic. It is inherited. So it is done, inherited. So we confirm. Now I will remove these parts. Dict parts I will remove. So I will happily call get employee details, get company details. Now you print EO dot display. EO dot display means what? Automatically EO was containing what? EO was containing all the company details as well as employee details. Happily this self.env and location, company name and location also will be called. Happy. Now see, execute. Now I got the output. See, employee details. I got this is a current class data. This is called its previous data. It is called a previous data. I will get it. I hope that this small example is clear for you. Is it clear or not clear? Is it clear or not clear? Fine. Of course, we will enter into further discussion also. One more example, I will go for it. One more example also, I will go for it. Fine. So with this, we understand that what exactly class is. What exactly class is. Let me go to the one more example, ma. One more example I want to go for it. So I want to go for multiple things I will get it. Multiple things I will get it. Okay. Let me carry Anil Murray sleeping and listening the class. He is sleeping or listening or right, ma, please switch off your video. So coming to the point back, the same example I want to carry, ma, same example I want to carry, just one new thing I want to add it to that. New thing I will add. See, observe. This example is what, ma? This example is which program? This example is which program? Kaushal, I will come to constructors, ma. Don't worry. Today you don't worry constructors. I will come to it. First I am talking about the methods and data members. Okay, na? Constructors, don't worry. I will come to it. Which type of inheritance it is? It is a single inheritance. Let me go for multi-level or multiple, whatever you like it, I will go for it. That's why I copied into new program. New place I copied it. See, every company will provide some facility of food also to you. Some company will provide the food for you. So most of the level companies will provide the food for you. Class, I am writing. Class, I am writing. Food is one more kind of class. One more kind of class. I am calling self dot. Okay, function I will take it. One function I will take. What is the function I am taking? Def get food definition. Get food details. I am writing self. There I am writing what self dot available food today special. What is that now? Something like I am writing biryani. Something like biryani. Next self dot drink is equal to apple juice. Yes. So, Coca-Cola. Okay, cola. Okay, ma. The moment when I start something, you will take me out of the class. Okay, Satyam, okay. Ram creation, okay, ma. When you are saying, Maja, sir. Okay, sir, Maja, sir. Okay, everything, so, okay, sir. Okay, sir, thank you. Shall I continue? Okay, snacks, sir. Okay, snacks over. Okay. Thumbs up, sir. Okay, everything is there, sir. Whatever you like it, they will give you. But you read Python, sir. When you do more logic is there, they will give anything. Pizza, everything they will give. The moment when I say something joking in the class, you will take me outside of the class. So you are more eagerly waiting when to take the class or outside. Right. Be serious. Now come to the subject. Apple juice. So, please, students, practice makes Python subject. Okay, ma'am. Okay. Drink means you are going for some other kind of drink you wrote. Sir, this and that. So don't go to that bad habits. Don't go to that habits. And you personally ask me, of course, students means I know present students are enjoying like anything, but I'm advising to all my students, don't touch it. Don't touch it. Okay? Now you are asking, you are treating me like you are a friend only. Now you are asking, sir, about you. See, ma, I will tell you. Yeah, I know you will ask me also because you are treating me like you are treating me like you are a friend. Okay, no problem. Sir, all friends. Okay. Now, whether you believe it or not, and you have to believe, KVR sir is always more sincere and more ethics he will have. I did not touch it. I did not touch it even single, even the glass also I did not touch. So when I'm student, I will go with my friends. I will sit with them. But I did not touch. That is my policy. Even you also should not touch it. This is my advice to all my students. Yes. It is my advice for all of you. Okay? Please follow that. Right. Yes, ma. Ram creation. Yes. So that is my, because one or two students asking with joking. So they are asking. So drink means they said something. Okay. So this is my advice. Please be careful, ma. So don't go. You are be away from that type of habits. You take badam milk. You take it. You take sugarcane juice. You take coconut water. Take coconut water. Why that unnecessary things? You take this daily once. You take this once. Yes, yes, ma. Santosh Reddy. It's there, but we can't. That's what I'm saying. In software party, that is common. Uh, it is common, ma. It is common in all the places. It is common. We go with friends, but we cannot. Right. Satish, you are asking very good question. Mine is, and of course I should not, I cannot say. And what can I say, ma? Who is this student? Some student is asking. Satish, uh, sir, your marriage is love marriage or arranged marriage? What can I say to you? And what do you think, ma? What do you think? Tell me. What do you think? You tell me, ma. So, uh, right. Very good. Very good. Okay. Very good. Yeah. Okay. It's right. Okay. So, my missus is my, my mother, my father, sister's daughter. My father, sister's daughter. Okay. Uh, and she is my classmate also. Okay. Anyhow. Okay. Right. Okay. Fine. Okay. Now, shall I continue? Shall I continue or not? You are making me to get all the things. Okay. You got it, most of the information. Okay. Shall I continue? Okay, sir. Now continue. So done. Get food details information. Now, employee class is there. Na? Employee class is there. Company, comma, I will write. Employee will get company as well as food. Food also coming. Food also coming. Yeah, what type of inheritance is it? Tell me. What type of inheritance it is? What type of inheritance? See, ma, multiple inheritance it is. Arindam, multiple. Employee is a class which is getting from where? Two classes. Arindam, what happens, ma? It is what type of inheritance, sir? Multiple. Arindam, come to one time online. What type of inheritance? Multiple. Multiple. Okay, now you got it. This class, you come down to the place, ma. Now I'm saying, you down to it, call employee, call these details, and then I will get here only, I will get here food details. Food details. I'm writing a small information here, print on just how we are getting food details, today's food details. I will get it. So daily it will not be that. Daily sometimes it will be changing. Today food details. So I'm getting. And that information I want to write it. How I will write it? So how I will write it? Here I will write two details I will copy and I will write. Food in the company. So food in the company. Food in company. So food in company. Just I'm writing. Company is called what? Self dot. Self dot. What is that name? AV. So AV food, available food, some name, AV food. Next is called what? So drink in company. So today's drink in companies. Right. Now I should say, so self dot. So drink. I'll say drink. Right. Drink I am writing. Okay. Nice. So get company details, employee details, company details. Now I will get last one more function also I will call. So since I am inheriting from food also, I can call its method also. They already defined. At this level, employee class need not to worry about that entire thing. Already they defined. Just it is a matter of calling that. Now you see. Okay, compile this. 1 minute, ma. You save this program. You save this program. Let us go to once. Here I will take. Here I will take. See carefully. INHPR was 1. Okay, 2. This is 2. I will take it. 2. Okay. Now 2. This is called. This is called 2. Yeah. Go to that. Go to the programming. INHPR was 2 dot. Now I got the details. Now I got the details. Which type of inheritance I applied? Which type of inheritance I applied? Multiple inheritance. Dear students, is the multiple inheritance is available or not? Is the multiple inheritance available or not? Is the multiple inheritance available or not? Yes, sir. Multiple inheritance are available, sir. Multiple inheritance is available, sir. Perfect, sir. Coming to the point back, here I am going to say, all the things are available. Now, this you can convert into multi-level also you can convert. Multi-level also you can convert. So company will come to food or food can come to food, this thing, and it is going to employee also. So is the multiple inheritance supported in Python or not? Is the multiple inheritance supported in Python or not? Yes, please. Supports, sir. So that is especially why I said this example is some of the people are saying that it is not supported. Still, as on today, even 60 to 70% of the people are saying that not supported. Because when I am teaching some different subject for some other kind of people, when they are in that and they are feeling that it is not supported. So it is fully supported here. Okay. Now, shall I go to the next one? Next example. Can I show you the next example? Yes, sir. Now I want to dictate that question to you. I want to dictate that question. Python supports all 5 types of inheritances. Okay. Now I want to go for some other type of inheritance also. I want to go for some small dictation, some small notes I want to give it. Some small notes I want to give it. Right. Java, Raj Singh, I say Java. Java does not support multiple inheritance. About the .NET, I don't know, because .NET I don't know. I don't know .NET, because I am not there from the .NET from the beginning. I am a fan of Sun Microsystem and Oracle Corporation. So I am a fan of Oracle Corporation and Sun Microsystem. Somebody may be a fan of Microsoft. So I am a fan of Sun Microsystem. So I want to. I am in the side of Java. So about the .NET, I don't know. Java does not support multiple inheritance because ambiguity problems are there in the classes that I used to tell in the Java class. That is not necessary in Python. Python supports all types of inheritances perfectly. Shall I dictate one case study, ma? Shall I dictate one case study, please? Yes. Please open your notebook. Please open your notebook and then write down. And you have to tell that I will type the code only, but I will giving the question for you just to make you to think about that code. Yes, write down. Yes, ma, I will upload this code. I will upload this code. Don't worry. I will upload the code now itself. I will upload the code now itself. Don't worry. So coming to the point of it. Start. Write the code. Hybrid inheritance also I will go for it. Write down. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will implement the following. Which will implement the following. Which will implement the following. Next line. I am giving one problem statement. Understand the problem statement, which will implement the following. There you write. Let us assume that there exists a university. Let us assume there exists a university. Let us assume there exists a university. And it contains call university name, and it contains university name, and it contains university name and location. And location. Carefully think about it, ma. Don't say blindly. And it contains university name and location. Full stop. Full stop. And write continue. Accept and display. See that word. Accept and display. Accept and display. Accept and display. University details. Accept and display. University details. Accept and display university details. Accept and display university details. Accept and display university details. Perfect. Accept and display university details. Okay. Next line or continuation. Next line or continuation. So immediately we'll get one important point there. What is that? Sir said that paragraph. You have to understand. So what you will do? Class university details. One more function I will take to display the university details. Okay, na? Sharma, what is your doubt, ma? So, yes, ma, you can use, no issue, na? We can use loops, everything you can use. You want to tell the one program like that? I will tell you. Don't worry. I will tell one program. Okay, na? I will tell you one program for you. Okay, all of you also can understand. Next, one more you write, ma. Let us assume continuation. Let us assume there exists. Let us assume there exists a college. Let us assume there exists a college. Let us assume there exists a college. Let us assume there exists a college which contains which contains college name under college name under college name under its location. Which contains college name and its location. Full stop. Accept and display. 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 College details along with university details. Accept and display. Accept and display. College details along with university details. Accept and display university along with university details. Right. Tell me, ma. University is what here? With this, you tell me. University is called what here? Base class. Very good. Base class. Excellent. Next is called what? What is called? What do you call? College is called which class, ma? Derived class. Which type of inheritance up to there? Which type of inheritance up to there? Good. Good. Single level inheritance. Who is saying multiple, amma? Please think about it. Read the notes. Single inheritance it is called. Okay, continue again. Let us assume, continue the problem statement. Let us assume there exist, there exist, there exist, there exist a student, there exists a student, there exists a student, there exists a student, contains student number, student number, student number, comma, student name, and a course pursuing, completely be in the class. 5:30, slowly leaving. I don't know by leaving where they will go. Student number, student name, and course pursuing. Right. Full stop. Accept and display. 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 Student details. Accept and display. Student details. Accept and display. Student details. Along with college and university details. Along with college and university details. Accept and display. University and what is that? College and university details. Enough. Which type of inheritance, ma? All of you don't go with your own confusions. Clearly tell me. Multi-level inheritance. So here college is called which class? College is called what class? College is called which class? College, intermediate base class. And student is called which class? Bottommost derived class. University is called what? Topmost class. Who is an implicit class here? Who is an implicit class here? Object class. Which is a super class for what? Which is a super class for what? University. Excellent. You got it. Now I am going to write the coding. So please look at the coding now. I am going to introduce the coding now. So please observe it. All of you carefully follow. So during earlier, because some setting is changed in this today I did not see the chart window during I am typing. Earlier I used to see. I am not seeing that. Please look at the coding now. So INH PROC 3.5. So please look at any spelling mistakes or something is happening. You just look into that. So PROC 3.5. Now I am taking. So I'll type the code quickly. Type it. Observe it. Class. I am taking. Class. I am writing. Name of the class is called university. University. It is uni. I will take small thing. University. What it is containing? What it is containing? Now I am going to say. Now I am going to say here something like this. What I am going to say? Look at. In this, I will take one function. Get def I am saying def get university details. Get university details. There are more and more ways I will show you with this. Self dot uname university name is equal to input of I am reading dynamically now. Enter university name. Sima university name. So I am taking that university name. Self dot university location is equal to input of enter university location. I will print this university details. Got it? And I will print the university details. How do you print it? Def display university details. I am printing that self. How do you print it? Look at that printing process. I am going to take this printing process. Now I am taking printing process. Now I'm taking all the values I am printing. Dear students, easy for you to understand. So I'm saying print university details, university details, university details. I'm just writing it. Okay, I will print that. How do you print? Print university name, university name. Now I'm writing, dear student, dot format of self dot you name. Now I'm writing next self dot university name, university location I'm writing, university location I'm writing, university location, self dot uloc, uloc, uloc. Okay, right. Now coming to the, this is done. Similarly, this is the class, it is tested very well, tested very well. You can create an object of university and you can call it and you can test it. How you can call it? Just for a minute you want, you can test it. This is a class defined by me. I will test it. I will test it. U is equal to return university of. Now I will write up u dot this function name I will write it. U dot this function name I can write it. It will accept me. It will accept me. Next I will get it you. I will get it you. I will display also immediately. U dot what? Display university details. Save this code, ma. Save this code, please. Yes, please saved it. Come on to the point. Now coming to this line, ma. Now see, I will say 3.py. 3.py. Yeah, somebody Wongol name is called Wongol. So keeping that and then show in middle of my screen it is playing. Please mute by yourself. Remove this. Please switch off your video, ma. Right. So university name. So I'm writing Usmania University. Usmania University. I'm writing. And then location. Usmania University. Location is called what? Karnataka, for example. Hyderabad. Hyderabad I am saying. HYD. HYD I am writing. So it is printing. What happens? What happens? Self dot. What happens? Display. DISP. University details. University details. What happens here? Self dot get university details. U dot display UNIV details. Printed or not? Okay, fine, ma. Curly, okay. It is missing, this curly brace is missing. Okay, fine. Thank you, ma. Curly brace is missing. Okay. Now execute. So same thing. Now you go for it. Printing the details. It is printing the details. Nice. Output we got it. Earlier I did not write this. By mistake I forget it. By mistake I forget this part. Okay, this is tested nice. Next what I will do? Look at, I will take class, what I'm doing? College I am taking. In the college what I am doing, separately I am writing college. I want to get what here? Def get college details. I am writing self. So I will try to take these things. Quickly I can write the code. So I am writing like this. Self dot C name, college name. Enter college name. I am saying enter college name. Enter college location. That is nothing but C location, college location. Now I want to print it. I will say display. College details also. I will take it. Quickly to do it, I'm just copying my function. So display college details. I'm writing COLL. So here I'm writing college details. So I'm writing college details. I'm writing. So what I'm doing there? College name. Take this as a college name. Yes. So college name I am writing. Fine. Here I am writing college location. I will change that variables also. Self dot C name. CLOC. Now College require what details also? Compulsory university details. These details you cannot write again. In college, I don't want to waste the time. I will get the code as it is. I will get the code as it is. I will write what? University, I will write it. University, I am writing. So that all these two methods will be coming as it is into the class. So totally tell me, in college, how many functions are there? In college, how many functions are there now? How many are there, ma? How many are there? College, totally how many are there? Four are there. Four. Two are there physically, two are there logically. Two are there physically, two are there logically. Are you getting my point? Yes. Last and final, I will write it. Last and final, I will write it. Class student, I am writing. Class student, I am writing. How easy it is. Class student, I am writing. In that place also, I will get like this. Therefore, get, I am writing, get student, get STUD details. Get STUD details of self. Get STUD details of self. I am getting. Yes, ma. Avinash Mishra. Why, ma? Why you got that doubt? In my class, we can take two functions, we can take two classes, we can take no problem, we can take like that. I will show you this program with modules also. I will show you these programs with modules also. Different approaches I will show you. Just you need to go through me. You just follow me. Enough. So there I will talk. If with your permission, I will take these two things, ma. Then I will write some statements to write that quickly. Enter the student name. I will write student name. Enter the student course. Enter student course. Academic course. I mean to say academic course. So course, which what is your BTech or whatever it is. So CRS I will write it. CRS. I will write yes name. Plus I want to get self dot SNO is equal to int of input of enter student number. Enter student number. Enter student number. Yes, I got it. Now I want to print it. How do you print it? Def. I will say def. What is that? Display STUD details. STUD details of self. Now I want to print it. How do you print it, ma? You please see. Once I will take this. Okay. I will just take this part. This part I will take and trying to show you here. Trying to show you. Yes, ma. Here I will say student details. Student details. Student details. See, ma. Student details. Now tell me, student name. I will take it as what? Student name. I will just write number also. Don't worry. Yes, name. And I will write a student course also. Student course. I am writing student course. Student course. Self dot CRS. Self dot CRS. Now I am writing student name. I wrote it. Student number also I will write it. Student number also I will write it. Student number. I am writing student number. What is this? Self dot SNO. SNO. So I got complete details. So the student require what? College also required plus what is required? University also required. Already college got university. Now tell me, in the student class, what you will write? Will you write only college? Will you write college, comma, university now? Think about it. Don't write wrong. Only college we write, sir. Very good. Only college we write. Because already college got what? Already college got what? University, sir. Excellent. Excellent. Nice answer. So I will write here only college. I will write it. College, I got it. Perfect. So I got the college details. Now let us move forward. Let us move forward to the main program. Main program. See main program. So see, classes I am writing in the same program. I am writing everything in the same place. Tell me, which class object I will create? University class, student class, college class. Yes, ma. Gautam Kumar. Very good, ma. Student class object I will create. Student class object I will create. I will create student class object. How do you do? SO is equal to student of. SO is equal to student of. I'll write the student class. Perfect. Now tell me, SO dot. First get your details. Get your details. See, get your details. SO dot get student. Okay. SO dot next. First reading process you complete. Okay, I got the student details. From the college, how many functions are there totally? 4 functions are there. With two logical functions are there. Those that two plus these two. Totally 4 are coming in student. Already 2 are there. Totally how many are there in student? Totally how many are there in student? 6 are there. You will call them. Call them. Which function I need to call? Get the college details. Get your college details. Yes, please. Get your college details. Yes, what not? Get college details. X. Good. You got it. You got your college details. Next, I will get what? Get university details also. Get your university details also. Yes. Get your university. First, I am going to complete the reading process now. Okay. Now you print. Now you print. What you will print? You print. What details you want to print first? What details you want to print first? Student details. I want to print student details. I will print next college details. I will print next. I will print next. Okay. Next I will print. Next student dot SO dot. Display. What is that? Student details. Or first you want to print the topmost place. University. You want to print university details also. No problem. On the top of your memo, university name will be there. SO dot. You want to print the college details. Display. To say college details. Display college details. SO dot. Display what details? Student details last. Student details last. I hope that you people are following. I hope that you people are following. Are you following? Dear students, is it easy or difficult? Easy or difficult, Amma? So dead easy, sir. Very good. Let us save this code, ma. Let us save this code once. I will save this code once. Execute. See, execute. Now you are executing. Which code it is? Okay. Now it is asking enter student number 111. Say that the next is called what? Ravi Kumar. Ravi Kumar. Next what? BTech. Now I will say BTech. CSE. CSE. Next college name. CBIT. For example, CBIT. Next college location. Gandipet. Some name. University name. Usmania University. Usmania University. This is called one university. Location is called Tarnaka HYD. Tarnaka HYD. This is the location of our university. So I got university details, I got it. Plus college details, I got it. Plus student details also, I got it. Student details also, I got it. Are you following me? Is it easy or difficult? Right. Simple, ma. Simple this is. Nothing is difficult. Nothing is difficult. Fine. So coming to the point of this is done. This is done while we are doing one program. So this program, when I come to next class, I will teach you this program in different ways with modules how you can do. How do you do with method calling? Another method how do you do? In tomorrow's class, I will tell you the varieties of ways. I will enlighten your skills. I will explain this one for what? I will explain this. Okay, ma, no problem. Spurti, we will go for it. No issue at all. Okay? This will go for no issue. Actually, you can do that. Keep it in the loop, ma. Spurti, you can keep it in the loop. Spurti, have you seen that our approach called what? 1 for deposit, 2 for withdraw, 4 for 3 for etc. Have you seen it or not? That only. Keep it in the loop, ma. You will get it. You can do that. Okay? Right. See? So how do you make this program to access everywhere else? Already we asked. One student is asking, sir, how to access this program across the programs? What he will do? You have to go for with what concept? Modules concept. Modules concept you placed in where? Packages. How do you do? How do you spread the packages? How do you spread the packages? Two approaches are there. One is by using what? One is by using what? Sys dot path dot append is one thing. And one more is what? Python path. Python path. Do you understand that or not? Understand or not, ma? Yes, that only. So you can make it anywhere else. I already explained so many two things with two to three times I explained. Yes. So we will stop at this time. And tomorrow class when I come back, I will continue with the another example. With first 1 hour, I will go for with this kind of thing. First 1 hour, I will introduce the example. After that, I will introduce the polymorphism, which is linked with the inheritance only. Inheritance will be continued tomorrow, but I will link polymorphism with inheritance. Polymorphism with the inheritance, I will link it. Okay, now don't miss it and don't join late to the class. If you join late to the class, it is a problem for you. It is up to you. I can't say anything else. Right? Come on. Tomorrow class, we will enter into the class and then we will go for the programming on this. Come on, ma. What, ma? Srikanth? Kodari Srikanth. What happens, ma? Yesterday's definition. Which type of inheritance? Multi-level. Okay. I will open multi-level. Okay, ma. What is the problem? What is the problem, Amma? This inheritance contains single base class, single derived class, and multiple intermediate classes. Okay, this word called derived. Multiple intermediate classes, no problem. Even you can call it as a multiple intermediate base classes. And intermediate base classes means it acts as what? Base class come derived classes. Okay, no problem. Right. Fine. Okay, ma? Fine. So tomorrow class, we will go for it. Don't miss it. Important. Thank you. Good day. Yes, ma. I will upload now itself. Okay. Fine. Thank you.